Hello, everyone, and I hope you all are doing well. It's been a long time since I had been uploading my video and I had not been available. With that said, I hope you all are doing well and you're actually growing in your trading journey. Let's start the video now. This is the monthly levels. What we see here is, and we see that there is a FVG, and the price reacted from the FVG and moved into the downward side. Not only the downward side, but we have given like the price have this close below this candle, making it a bearish phase or the bearish sign into the monthly level. Now let's move to the weeklies. As we move into the weeklies, what we see is that after this consolidation, the price moved into the higher direction, and even this low is having a strong bearish close, which actually confirms our bias for the bearish level. But what we have for the bullish move is this particular FVG into the weekly levels. Probably the price can come and tap this particular level. So more likely we can be bullish since it's already uh, Thursday today. So let's move to the dailies now. As we move into the dailies, what we see is that the price had been following one of the order flow into the markets, and we are currently resisting this bearish order flow, and the price is moving into the bullish side. In 4 hour charts, it is pretty much clear that the price is taking liquidity and we are having strong close above the previous highs, which had taken some kind of liquidity. So it gives us a bullish confluence into the current price action. Now let's move to the 1 hour. As we move into the 1 hour, what we see is that this 4 hour FVG is being respected by the price, and we sprung up right after tapping this order flow, and currently we are having this 1 hour FVG. Now let's move to the 15 minutes to set our bias. Now this is the 15-minute chart, and we can see that the price had taken this CBDR level low before moving into the higher side, and in the Asia session we literally sprung up. So right now what I'm anticipating is that the price can come down in some way. Let's say that we get an accumulation here and the price is going to come down, take some kind of liquidity here or mitigate this level, and then we are going to move into the higher direction. I'm not anticipating a very highly move till this level, but I am bullish into the market today. So this is my bias today. Do write me into the comments that what are your view regarding the Euro USD's move today, and how are you seeing the chart. See you in the next video. Till then, keep learning and keep trading.